Good evening, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and we had a few showers today along the coast, but if you traveled inland, you did see that snow wintry mix, detail wintry mix set up, and pretty much there was a little bit of coverage on the ground there for a bit, but eventually it changed over into rain. We're going to keep cloudy skies around for our Sunday, and then by the beginning of the week things will begin to dry out before the next system moves in. Looking at that out the door forecast for your Sunday, we'll have mostly cloudy skies, 50 degrees by 9 a.m. 1 p.m. mostly clouds, and still keep those clouds around 52 degrees, and then by 5 p.m. 47 degrees. Now looking at our radar from earlier today, you can see along the coast here, that's where we had a lot of showers. It wasn't a complete washout, but it was enough to be nuisance types of rain. We also, if you moved inland, you did see at the higher elevations, you did see a little bit of snow, and there were some areas in the mountain peaks in which there was a little bit of coverage on the ground, but eventually that kind of changed over to rain. Now, we expect the temperatures are going to be down pretty low tonight. So again, you want to exercise caution if you're going to be out tonight. But that's going to be pretty much the pattern. Once we get past Monday, those temperatures will warm up during the day, and then we'll have the chilly starts to each day. Now, looking at the future tracker, we're going to put that into motion here. We have a low pressure system that is off the coast. That's not going to bother us too much. What we will have is a high pressure which will track off to our extreme north. That will dry things out for your workday Monday. And then there might be 1 or 2 showers to start, but that's going to be out of here for the most part. I think it's more exaggerated than anything else. But for the most part, I think we're going to keep those opportunities for showers at a very minimum until the end of the week. Now, looking at your high temperatures for tomorrow, in the low to mid 50s, we're looking at Eureka at 52 degrees and Willow Creek at 55. And then as you go down to the south, 53 for Laytonville and 57 for Redding. And looking at your marine forecast, we have northeast winds 5 knots, waves northwest 9 feet every 12 seconds. And then for Sunday, we'll have northwest winds 5 knots, waves northwest 7 feet every 12 seconds. And then we'll have mainly cloudy conditions. Your sunrise time at 7:40 a.m. And there's your high tide and low tide times. Now, before you go to sleep tonight, you want to remember to spring forward. You want to do that before 2 a.m. Otherwise, you're going to be running behind tomorrow. So again, remember, spring forward. So remember to do that tonight before you go to sleep. For your forecast, we're looking at partly cloudy skies. It will be cold, 36 degrees. And then for tomorrow, we'll have mostly cloudy. It will be cool, 53 degrees. Winds will be calm and eventually shifting from a west-northwest 6 miles per hour. And then looking at that 7-day forecast, we will have mostly cloudy skies, 56 degrees. We'll have a little bit of AM frost for Tuesday, and then we'll keep the sunshine around till midweek, and then the next system moves in by Friday, 56 degrees, and then we will remain dry before the next system.